Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Hot Wheels DeLorean Alpha5, and this is from number 7 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Green Speed, and number 85 out of 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's quite hard for me to say this is actually a new casting, as well this car has actually released before in like a premium edition box of some sort. I don't know how I want to say it, but it has been released previously, and it is like specially released. It's not hard to get. I mean, you need to buy, I think you need to buy this some sort of box of some sort. If I'm not mistaken, you have to buy a box where it comes with two cars. Both of them are premium cars. One was the DeLorean, the regular DeLorean back in the past, and they released the newer DeLorean, which is this DeLorean Alpha5 in red with the Spectraflame paint job as well as rubber tires, which means it's a premium model, and it's quite hard to get. It's, well, quite a limited edition model if you ask me, and not many people do own that. So, well, instead they go and get this one, which is, well, basically a considerably sort of like a new casting, as the premium version is not really accessible to many people. I would say this is rather the new casting, basically new to mainline, as I would say, and this is first release in metallic white, as you can tell. I like the color, it looks very nice. It's something far away from what we've had previously, which was the DeLorean, where it used to be a time machine, of course. The regular DeLorean back in the past, which is very nice, I would say, and this is just not another, well, basically it's more to like a hypercar where it has, I would say, 2 doors, but it has 4 seats, so that means it's something like the Koenigsegg Gemera, if you ask me, which is more to a hypercar, which is not too bad. And I would say it's not too bad. It's pretty good. You do have great details as well, obviously, for the front and back, which is the headlights, rear lights, and basically everything around. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out the car itself right here in detail right now. Here it is, the DeLorean Alpha5, which is new for 2023, is it? 2024, sorry. So let's start off from the back side right here. We start off with the wheels. Gray 10-spoke rims, as you can tell, just boring old 10-spoke rims as always. We've gone 10-spoke rims like a lot recently, of course, with the regular mainline cars, which are licensed models, but they could maybe use different rims as well, maybe 5 spokes, maybe the regular rims. But if it does match the car very well with the 10-spoke rims, I would say it's not too bad. And overall the side looks really clean. I do really like it. Nothing much on the side. Very clean, very nice. You do have the side mirror right here, which is metal, by the way, in white as well, connected to the body of the car. Let's move on to the front, and the front looks interesting. You do have the long headlights right here, which are like a 2-strip headlight right here, which is not fully like the Lucid Air that I've reviewed previously. No, it's one side and the other side, which is nice. In the middle it says DeLorean right there, which is nice. DeLorean text right there, which is cool. No, is it electric? If I'm not mistaken, it's electric, is it? I'm not sure. But yeah, you do have this black part in front of here as well. I believe these are grills, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember this Alpha 5 is basically electric or not, because you don't really like hear much about this car a lot, but I assume these are grills, if I'm not mistaken. But if it's not, maybe it's just for show. Maybe it's just for show, I'm not sure. You have this like extended front bumper, which they all normally have. Let's move on to the hood right here. You do have some design with the hood right here, which is nice actually. So yeah, it's pretty sick. I do really like it. Reminds me of like a hood intake, I think, in the front, but they didn't really like color it, which is fine, I guess. The question, to be exact, with this car, does it really have an interior or not? Because it's like totally tinted. Oh yeah, there is an interior, a blacked out interior basically, and really tinted windshield and basically the whole window right here, which is quite interesting. It's fully tinted. You can't really see the inside of the car, which I don't really mind, just that why make it so like dark until you can't really see the interior? At least they didn't like try to do it like Matchbox did last time, where they tinted out the whole window, where there's actually no interior inside once people open it, which is a shame. But yeah, they actually do put the interior inside, but you can't really see it that much, which is I guess fine. So here is the side. Yeah, pretty standard, I would say. I think this is an EV, or is it a hybrid? Because there seems to be like a charging port. Is it on both sides? No, it's not. So I believe it should be a hybrid or an EV. But yeah, there is a charging port right there, if I'm not mistaken, right? Which is cool. So if I'm not mistaken, these doors like supposed to open up like gullwing doors on both sides, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm not entirely sure about that, because I don't really like go through this car that much. I'm not really like into the DeLorean Alpha5 that much, so I didn't really like check out the real car itself that a lot often. Basically, you have like this gray part right here, which I forgot to mention. It's basically like apart from the base. Is it gray or black? Actually black. Yeah, like this black part right here, which is plastic. Let's move on to the back of the car, which is the rear, where it does have two strips of rear lights right here, which is on both sides, not like fully rear light or anything. You actually have the DeLorean text again, which is in red, which I believe at nighttime it should like light up with the rear lights, with the brake lights. I'm not sure. And oh, maybe this is the brake lights, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, pretty interesting. You do have this black part right here, blacked out rear as well, which is sick. They don't really have diffusers that much. They kind of do, but it's not that much. And by the way, no exhaust tip, if I'm not mistaken, so that leaves it to be a EV, I think. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, pretty nice. The back looks pretty cool. I didn't really like go through this car that much, the real thing. So I don't really like know the car that much, where it's actually an EV or not. But yeah, you can let me know down in the comment section if you know. Made in Malaysia, DeLorean Alpha5 2023 Metal. Overall, I would say it's a pretty good car, if you ask me. Oops. Okay, back and running. So yeah, I would say personally this car is quite nice. The thing is, well, even though they released it first in white, at least like give the like original color and release it first. Maybe in red, it would be nice. That would be the regular color, like actual color. But still, it's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I do really like it in white. It's actually pretty clean. And well, maybe like don't make it too tinted, I would say, the whole window section, everything, because well, people may think it does not have an interior, just like what Matchbox likes to do most of the time, they would think that Hot Wheels is trying to do the same, but actually they do include an interior inside actually. But the fact is, they could try to like not make it too tinted, I would say. Maybe trying not to make it too like black or anything. It would be nice. I mean, give it some more intensity in the interior. People want to see the interior as well, so yeah, it's really nice. Not gonna lie, I do really like the car. It's, even though for a new casting, it's first time release for mainline, overall it's quite a thumbs up for me, and hopefully we see it in car culture soon anyways. Maybe some exotic envies, who knows, maybe some classical I don't know, like set or anything from car culture. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the DeLorean Alpha5. Let me know down in the comment section down below what you think about this car right here, the DeLorean Alpha5, compared to the classic old DeLorean that we had in the past. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the DeLorean Alpha5. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.